Alright, y'all gotta tell me what y'all want. This time y'all could talk.
I want a fucking Kit Kat. Kit Kat.
You want a what? What the? Yo. Miami?
Yo.
Miami.
Yo.
Miami.
Yo.
Miami.
Shut.
First of all, bitch, you yanking my
Oh,
dick
whoa.
Yo, I'm really gonna fight her. Bitch, you better take these shits off. These shits really fucking hurt, bitch. You gon' fucking yanking on my shit. Bitch, you got one more fucking time. You got one more fucking time to yank this shit. You got one more time. Keep talking. Stop yanking my fucking arms. Bruh, get this shit off of me right now. This bitch, you pulling on me. Miami move.
She ain't gonna do nothing.
Why would you even set us up like this?
Bro, my hand is fucking hurting me. Get this shit off.
Alright, listen, I'm gonna let y'all go. Y'all gotta relax though, bruh. Y'all been relaxed
when this
the
comes
whole
off,
time.
I'm gonna punch you in your face.
Alright, listen, y'all been relaxed the whole time. Y'all been handcuffed to each other. Just chill. Just chill.
Bruh.
Alright,
Y'all need a
My hand is
vibe,
fucking
bruh.
killing me. If you don't get this bitch the fuck up off me, I swear
This
to
what?
God. This
Yo.
bitch hoe, you heard me. Get this shit
Chill,
off of me, bro.
chill.
Yo,
Get
y'all
this shit off of me,
vibe,
bro. Get this shit off of me.
chill.
Get this shit off of me. Get this shit. Get me by my base right now. Ooh, bitch. Move, Miami. Move through this whole laughing and shit. Move, bro. Move. Get this shit off of me right now. Do that. See what happens.
Just chill. Don't do nothing crazy, bro. We in the store right now. Don't do
y'all
nothing
need a
crazy,
vibe,
bro.
bro.
All right. Let it go.
Vibe,
I'm chilling. Let it go.
Vibe, bro.
Okay, I'm vibing. Take it off.
Vibe,
You took
bro.
it off? I'm vibing. Take it off.
Listen, y'all been next to each other this whole time, bro. Just vibe.
Fucking tell
Y'all
me.
need a vibe. Y'all need a vibe.
Bitch, don't fucking tell me. So,
They
for
gonna kick us out of
real. For real,
CBS.
ho. For real, ho. I'm on that for real, bitch.
Go ahead, bitch.
Fuck it.
Get out of my way.
Why everybody hitting me?
Get out of my way.
Alright, bro, let's go, bro.
Yo, vibe.
What? What's up? What you trying to do?
Yo,
Chill,
vibe,
chill,
vibe,
chill.
vibe, vibe.
What you trying to do? What you trying to do, girl? Huh?
Vibe,
Chill,
vibe,
bro.
vibe.
You better get that bitch.
Yo, vibe.
For real. You
Vibe.
No, Miami move. Let her do it.
Yo, chill, bro.
Bitch, let me do it, bitch. What's up? What's
Alright,
up?
look,
You
look,
standing
look.
behind Miami, ho? What's
Chill,
up? Bitch, you
Chill,
standing
vibe.
behind. No. Move. Fuck off, bitch. Get off me.
Vibe, bro. What the fuck? Bro, we gotta do these shit. Vibe, bro.
Bro, where's that dumb bitch at? I'm not fucking camera on my face, too. Go get your little fucking girlfriend. I'm not kidding. Get out of my.
Yo, stay with her, bro. Let me go get Tony, bro. Yo, what's up, bro? What's up?
Miami,
What's
I will
up?
break your fucking camera. Get the fuck.
Chill.
You always
Listen,
doing this stupid ass shit.
what I did.
Every time I fucking think that you fucking doing something good, bitch.
Listen, bro. What's the problem, bro?
I told you I want to meet that hoe. You lucky I ain't fucking slodged that in CVS hoe. Stop following me, bro.
Bro, listen, bro.
Stop following me.
Oh, Lord.
You know I didn't want to meet you.
Yo. All right, listen. That's not the point of this. That's not the point of this, bro. Y'all was just handcuffed to each other, having a good time.
I thought I was handcuffed to you.
Listen.
You got that camera in my face.
All right, listen, though. Real talk, though. Listen, bro. You gotta listen to me, bro.
I'm not listening.
Bro, y'all was just handcuffed to each other
I thought
with
I
no
was
problems.
handcuffed to you.
Still, that's not the point. But once y'all take the blindfold off, y'all over there tripping. When y'all was just next to each other, y'all was next to each other this whole entire time, bro.
I think I gotta be quiet for you to understand.
Y'all was just getting along right now,
I don't
bro.
really mess with you, bro. I don't really mess with you, like for real.
So listen, what's the problem then, bro?
What you mean what the problem is? What you mean what the problem is? You know I don't like her. You know I'm always respectful. I try to be quiet. When it comes to that girl, she always got something slick to say. So you know what? When I seen her, I was finna puff ass. You lucky CBS had all the freaking people watching me and all them security watching me. Why the hell you still got that camera in my face, bro?
Fuck, man. I don't know if this was a good idea or bad idea, but I really don't know right now. And now we about to go back to the damn Airbnb. Fuck. Bro. Yo, what's up?
What are you coming in my Airbnb for?
Yo, relax, bro.
Relax for what?
I'm finna talk to you, bro.
Talk to me about what? There's nothing to fucking talk about. What are you doing, nigga?
Vibe, just vibe, bro.
No, and get the camera on my fucking face, nigga.
Listen, what's the problem, bro?
What do you mean, what's the problem? You the fucking problem?
Listen, yo, y'all was handcuffed to each other the whole entire time. Y'all was perfectly fine, bro.
Okay, and?
Y'all was just with each other. Keep that in.
You're fucking silent, nigga. Literally, get the camera on my face.
Listen, bro. Can we just come up here and talk, bro?
There's nothing to talk about, and you're not about to bring her in my Airbnb.
Bro, come on, bro. And she left her stuff up here too, bro.
Yo, you get the camera on my face.
Yo.
You let her come in my Airbnb, NY, and leave her in my room. I'm gonna throw this out the balcony.
No.
Go take it to her.
We gonna talk about
No,
this,
there's
bro.
nothing to fucking talk about. Literally, and get the fucking camera on my face.
What's wrong with girls, bro? What's wrong with girls, bro? Please, somebody tell me down in the fucking comment. What's wrong with girls, bro? Then they was literally handcuffed to each other, and now they find out who it was. They want to trip, like they was just. I'm finna face this shit, bro. I'm tired of this shit. We gonna talk about this, bro.
No. You can talk to her by yourself.
We all gonna talk about this, bro. Yes, we is, bro. Yes, we is, bro. Y'all acting like kids. Y'all acting like kids. You acting like a kid and she acting like a kid, bro. That shit not cool, bro.
No, this is all.
That shit not cool, bro.
Shit not cool, bro. Like, get out of my face for real.
The least you could do is sit here and have a conversation, bro. That's the least y'all could do. If y'all don't like each other, that's fine, bro. But just, I ain't asking y'all to hug each other. I ain't asking y'all to do none of that, bro. Just have a conversation, bro.
No, this is wrong. This is from you. So figure it out. Bye.
Listen.
Bye. I said
Vibe, bro. Not that serious,
it
bro.
is that serious. You made it this fucking serious. So fix it and fix it. What did I fucking say?
Yo, listen, bro.
I said fix it now. Fix it now. Get this out of my Airbnb.
Listen, bro.
Bye.
I'm gonna bring her up
You
here.
don't know. The door's right here. I'll walk you. Get the camera on my face.
Listen. I'm gonna bring her up here. Y'all gonna talk like some
Bring it up
grown-ups,
here.
bro.
See what happened.
Alright, think I'm the game. Yo,
What do you want, bro? What do you want? What do you want?
listen, I talked to Destiny, bro.
Is that bitch out the room so I can get my shit?
Listen, I
That's all I fucking know.
listen, I talked to her. She's
What? Yeah. Tell them what she was saying.
None, I
He
talked
was at CVS and this girl hiding behind Miami the whole time. First of all, bitch, don't fucking move when we handcuffed together, bitch. That shit digging in my skin. Like, what are you doing?
Listen,
then after
though,
that, she
listen,
just talking behind him.
Listen.
Girl, stop talking behind him. You know I've been nice, quiet on that live.
Alright, listen, bro.
Ain't been disrespectful. And then, you know, in person, she want to talk crazy. Like, girl, that'll get you slapped for real.
Listen, she said you could come get your stuff, and she said she want to talk to you, bro. I talk. Listen,
She can't
listen,
demand me
listen.
like-
No.
She can't
Listen, listen. Oh,
she
Lord.
said, go up there get my shit. Girl, I was
Listen.
gonna get my shit regardless. Like, what you talking about? What you hollering about? I was gonna get my stuff regardless.
Listen.
You already know this. You already
Alright,
know.
listen. Alright, but look, I talked to her. She said she gonna be the bigger person. She want to sit down and talk, bro.
Oh, okay.
You down for that?
No, we gonna talk for real.
Real talk, serious shit, serious shit.
We gonna talk right here. We gonna talk. We gonna talk for real.
Serious shit, bro.
I'm tired of you putting that camera in my face.
Y'all acting like kids right now, bro.
You acting like a kid. You should be honest in the beginning. Like, what you gotta lie about shit for? This what got you in the predicament you in now.
Bruh,
Bruh.
can we cut all this kid shit out? And y'all can actually go talk? So y'all can actually go talk? Listen, bro, we gone? Listen, bro, a normal conversation like some grown-ups, bro. Not no kids, bro.
Bring me upstairs. Now.
Fuck, this shit crazy. Bro, please be on your best behavior, bro.
Shut the fuck up while I punch for your shit.
Be on your best behavior, bro.
Shut up, bitch.
Real talk. For real, bro.
Move. Open the door.
Real talk.
Open the door.
Be on your best behavior, bro.
I'm on my best behavior, bro.
Damn, kid, acting like kids, bro. I never seen no shit like this before.
Open the door. You nervous? Open the door.
Relax, bro.
Open
Don't
the
do
door.
too much,
All right,
bro.
go ahead. Open the door. I just want to get my stuff. Yeah, come get your fucking shit and leave, bitch. Bitch, shut the fuck
First of all, I don't like how you doing.
Bitch, who first you got? Here.
Yo,
Paris, get
You
my
can get,
shit.
you can get your own shit from
real.
from her for. Go get your
Bitch, you always
shit.
have nah.
Go get
You
your
always
shit.
hear that I pay for. Get the f out this. You got me in this old B&B, ho?
yo, vibe,
Yo, I'm
bro.
gonna really punch you in your fucking
Yo, you
face.
gonna help me, bro?
Let me tell you something.
Yo.
Let me tell you something. You always talking shit behind my ear, bitch.
Hold it, bro.
Move. Let me get this bitch, dog. Bitch, what the fuck? You got this hoe trying to call me broke, bitch. I ain't on broke, bitch. Bitch, what the fuck your ass gonna do? Bruh, she got the Harry.
He noticed happening. He in the middle of it. Like, just let what they gotta do. What the fuck do you notice?
Why you can't just let the shoot the thing out?
No, bro. That's not.
I ain't even tell you. You doing all that. You doing all that for the camera, bitch. Because you could've did all that TV ass. Okay, hold on. Bitch, what's up? What's up? Hit me, bitch. What's up? Reach up and hit me right now. Bitch, don't push me. What's up? What's up? This bitch ain't out, man. This bitch ain't out, man. Move. You telling him to move. Girl, am I joking? Is it a joke? Yes, bitch, you're a joke.
Listen, bro.
What happened? What happened? Why are you fighting over a nigga that don't even want you? Bitch, he don't want me, bitch. I don't give a fuck what he wants, bitch. He posts me all the fucking time. Bitch, I ain't asked him to do that shit. Bitch, you're mad because you're a fucking fan, bitch. Got them tired ass Gucci slides he bought you one time. Bitch, I'm fucking fan. Gucci slides, bitch. You're a fucking joke. Bitch, you're a fucking fan, hoe. You're a fan, bitch. You're a fan, bitch. You're a fan. Are you gonna bring her in my fucking room?
Listen, bro.
I'm really about to violate you. Get her out the now.
Yo, what's up with y'all, bro? What's up with y'all, bro?
Let me get my stuff, bro. Yeah, get the fuck out of my bedroom. I ain't gonna be too many bitches. I ain't gonna be too many bitches. She wanna show out in the room, but in figure she wasn't doing all this. Girl, you had perfect access.
Hello.
Bitch, who gives a fuck? Bitch, if you trying to pay, you for the pain.
Hey, come
Bitch, if
here.
you wanna pay, you for the pain.
I just listen. The most 2 minutes, bro. Tops.
30 seconds.
2 minutes, bro.
1 minute.
2.
1
2.
minute and 15 seconds.
Listen, 2. And if y'all want to talk to each other no more, that's it. Just 2 minutes, bro.
1 minute and 30 seconds. Say deal or no deal.
All right, bro.